When the government demonetized rupees 500 and rupees 1000 notes, it froze most economic transactions. These currency notes will be replaced with the new 500 and rupees 2000 notes. 98% of Indians do not have credit cards, and 90% of Indians do not have mobile wallets. Over 50% of Indians do not have bank accounts, and official figures underestimate the problem. It's impressive that a government could pull off this level of secrecy. Alex Tabarrok, economics professor, George Mason University, and he continued, but what will happen tomorrow when people don't have enough cash to buy goods and services? And there is another issue. Why is the black market so large to begin with? The wealth tax will punish current holders of cash, but if the policies that generate the black market aren't addressed, the black market will grow again, perhaps using gold, USD or Bitcoin. Modi is a brave man. Prime ministers once in power are tempted to not do anything which can carry unpredictable adverse consequences. That said, courage does not always go hand in hand with wisdom, and this move is a mistake at multiple levels, said Amit Verma, columnist. Verma continued, a vibrant black market has already sprung up, offering to exchange old notes for new notes at a fee. Guess where the profits will go? The larger point though is that most truly rich people do not keep their wealth in the form of cash, but in the form of real estate, gold, deposits in foreign bank accounts and other Benami investments. It's the poor who will be hurt the most by this. A large chunk of India's economy, especially at the bottom of the ladder, is a cash economy, says Verma. Ajay Shah, economist, said, contrary to the depictions in movies, a lot of unaccounted money works through front companies which have bank accounts. It's not correct to equate corruption and tax evasion with physical cash. But this is not the first time the Indian government took to demonetization. When India demonetized currency notes of rupees 500 and above in 1946, by the end of 1947, currency notes worth rupees 134.9 crore were exchanged out of currency notes worth rupees 143.97 crores. This is only 6% of the currency notes in circulation. When India demonetized rupees 1000, rupees 5000 and rupees 10,000 notes in 1978, this did not destroy money stock at all. Currency notes in circulation rose, perhaps because all such currency notes were exchanged for real money. And India is not the first country to demonetize. When Burma took to demonetization in 1987, this led to riots and a coup. Following hyperinflation, Zimbabwe dollar was demonetized, and now 90% of the transactions are in US dollars. Kim Jong-un's demonetization led to food shortages in North Korea. Demonetizing about 1/3 of the circulating currency was partly responsible for the coup and the collapse of the Soviet Union.